Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start our new chapter, angles. Okay, so if you talk about angles, what is mean by angle? In fourth standard, you have learned about angle, but we will take some previous part also what we have learned in the fourth standard. Okay, so before we starting with this chapter, we will revise little bit what is mean by angle and what are the basic term which will be used in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, if we will see any angle, okay, so this is your angle. If you see this angle carefully, you will find that you can see here one point and two line which is connected with this point. So we'll first of all we'll learn about what is meant by point and what is that line is want to say us. Okay, so what if we will talk about points? If we will talk about point, what is mean by point? If we'll talk about a point is a geometric is a location. Okay, so if we are locating, point is denoted as a dot. Okay, so that dot don't have size, don't have breadth, don't have length, and don't have depth also. Okay, so it is a point is used for locating anything in that surface. Okay, so this is your surface. If you are locating point here, that if you are locating and if you are giving the B or A, okay, so these points is used for the locating anything in that surface. Okay, this is a surface where you are locating any points. Okay, so points is usually denoted as dot. That dot don't have length, don't have breadth, and don't have height also. So the definition of point, you can write a point in geometry is a location. It has no size, no breadth, and no length, and it is denoted as dot. A point is shown by a dot. Okay, so point is only used for the locating anything in that surface. Okay, so now if you will see this, these are the some lines which is connected with that point. So angle, we know that angle is a combine of the two rays. Just think about it. I talk about line also and ray also. So what is difference between ray and line? Okay, so first of all we will learn about line and then we'll learn about rays. Okay, so line, what is mean by line? As you can see, if you will listen, if you have dot here, it is point. If you add here some more dot closely, if you will add in the both direction, if you will add dots, what you will see that these will become a line. But if you will see that these both side, from the both side you can increase this. Okay, so line is a line of a point. It is a combination of dots where it can increase in both the direction. You can see the arrow here. That means it can increase in any direction. It can increase further also in two direction. Means this line can increase both the direction. But if we will talk about ray only will start with a point, but it will increase in one only direction. Clear? This is line which is increasing in both the direction, but ray is increase in only in one direction. Clear? And that ray only will use for making the angle, because it can increase in this direction, it can increase only in one direction, in any one direction. So here it is, angle is made of two rays. Clear? Now we'll learn about what is difference between line and rays. Line is can increase both the direction, but rays only will increase in one direction. Okay, so now we'll talk about angles. What is meant by angle? Angle, if you will talk about, I shown the figure also like this. It is angle. It can be any shape, it can be like that also, and this size. Here you can see two different sides, and it is originated with the point, and when the two ray will combine, and the two ray having the same point, this will form an angle. Clear? When the two ray 1 and ray 2, when this will combine and having a common end point, common end point or common starting point, that it will become an angle. It will form an angle. Here ray 1 and ray 2. Got it? So angle, you can write angle is a combination of, angle is a combination of two rays with common origin or starting point. When the two ray will start with a common point, it will form a angle. So till now we have learned what is mean by point, what is line, and what is rays, and what is angle. So in the next video we are going to be learn about the different types of angle. Okay.